Okay, so that's coffee prepared by my beautiful wife, Berna Baron. Berna, are you ready to have breakfast? Uy, nakatalikod ka eh. Yeah. I'm talking to you. Are you ready to have breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Tapos, we go to Sapa today, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Correct. Oh, lagi tayo may fresh flowers at saka fruits. Problema, hindi natin kinakain. Oh, sayang yung mga fruits binibigay sa atin, Mama Berna. Yan, yung kwarto natin. Gulo-gulo. Yan, mag-travel. Maraming kalat. Yan na, si Madam Berna. Lagi kaming naghahabol sa breakfast. Kasi, ano na, it's our breakfast and lunch at the same time. At least, itong Pullman, meron siyang executive lounge. Yeah. Berna. Berna, look here. Ilang oras ang trip natin to Sapa? Huh?
6 hours.
6 hours? Oh my God. Yun, yung swimming pool, oh. Okay. Time to catch breakfast here at the Pullman. At least, habol pa rin kami. 10:30 yung last call. So, talagang brunch na to. Oh, wow, well decorated siya, oh. Hello, 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 hi. Kahapon, masarap ang breakfast. Ito yung natikman ko, ito yung favorite ko. Si Papa Don. Yes, yan ang gusto ko, Papa Don. Okay, so yung mga tao, halos lahat tapos na. So kami na lang halos ang magbe-breakfast. Oh, may marami pa rin. Ayan, diyan tayo upo, Berna. And this is the lobby of the hotel overlooking the restaurant with a big Christmas tree na. Christmas na rito. Okay, so let's go around. Let's first check the food before we start getting what we want. And normally it's bacons, eggs, sausage. Yeah, yun ang typical food. Yan, si bacon. Beef bacon. Oh, dito walang kumakain. Ang ganda yung ambience dito. Ito yung bami, oh. Ito yung sikat sa sa Vietnam. Yan ang bami. Sabi nga nila, kung nagtitipid ka, magbami ka na lang. Okay ka na. Okay, check natin yung food rito. All right. Can I have some scrambled eggs? Yeah, not overcooked, with salt and pepper. Oh, yeah, salt and pepper. Ayun. Oh, malaki rin tong dining area niya, for breakfast. That's the most important. You can have choices of eggs, from scrambled to eggs Benedict. Whatever you like, they can cook it for you. Yan, kailangan I have to watch my eggs kasi madalas na-overcook. Yeah. You put some salt and pepper and some milk inside my eggs. Huwag lang mo overcook, ha? Okay, I think that's it. That's it. Or else it's gonna be overcooked. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. Pagka na-overcook, hindi na masarap. All right. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So at least it's not overcooked. Ayan, may fruits na ako and eggs pa. Ito, ang favorite ko, si Papa Dom. Siguro meron silang Indian chef dito. Yan, sarap yan. Let's find out kung meron silang cucumber juice. Dito sa side na to, what do they have here? Mga salad pala rito. Oh, yes. Si Bernang mahilig sa salad. Okay. Siyempre, ako naman, fruits. Wala yatang mangosteen. Mangosteen. Ito yung cucumber drinks. So, bakit parang bitin ang pagkakalagay niya? Kalahati lang. Kung kalahati lang, pinagsama ko na lang sa isang baso. Ayan, mas marami na. Si Berna kumuha ng pho with noodles. Patikman ko yan pag hindi niya naubos. Ayan na, si Berna nagpasilbi ng kape. Oh, that's coffee? Coffee?
No, it's masala chai tea.
Oh, iced tea. Oh, okay. Very good. Ito muna tirahin ko, si Papa Dom. Kailangan, ingat lang kasi everyday is buffet day. Yan, si Berna. She always gets me different kinds of fruits for my healthy body. Oh, Mama Berna. Let's eat na. Whoa. That's Vietnamese coffee?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Dami lang sugar talaga ng Vietnamese coffee, pero masarap. Kailangan wala kang diabetes dito. No, Berna? Sarap ng kanyang Japanese, Vietnamese coffee, Mama Berna. Oh, okay yung food mo. Oh, dami namang tubig niyan, Berna. Yeah, so much water, huh? Yeah, thank you, huh? Okay, so we'll start our buffet breakfast here at the Pullman. Thank you.